It's so small, it must be easy to play. That's just one of the most common misconceptions that my students had before they started learning to play blues harmonica. But don't worry, I will talk you through the common misconceptions and put you at ease. So yes, the first one, it's small so it must be easy to play. I could see why you'd think that. It's not very intimidating, it's not like a piano or a guitar or a sousaphone. But don't let its size fool you. There are some things that are going to be very tricky because of how small it is. The first one is singling out holes on the instrument. So playing a single hole, one of these things, is going to be quite challenging. Going from this, which is the Dylan style of playing, to this, where we're just playing one hole at a time, is quite challenging because they are so small. The other thing that's challenging for a student and for a teacher is that almost everything that's going on with the harmonica is happening under your nose and in your mouth. So you as a student can't see what I as a teacher and player am doing, which makes it quite difficult for you to learn by copying. It also makes it quite challenging as a teacher for me to explain what's going on. Don't worry, I've worked it out over many years of doing it, but that's definitely one of the difficulties of it being such a small instrument. All right, the next most common misconception I hear is that you are too old to learn harmonica, and that's simply not true. In fact, the majority of my students are older. In fact, 68% of my students are over the age of 55, and I've got students who go all the way up to almost 100 years old. And they all say that they are so glad that they are learning harmonica now, whether it's to play just for themselves, just for fun, playing for the grandkids, I hear that a lot, playing with friends, and some of them are even in bands now. How cool is that? So don't put off learning harmonica just because you feel that you might be too old to do it. There's no such thing. And I've actually got a video below that you can click on in the description with some performances from some of my students and a little bit of their thoughts on the matter. So check that out. All right, so next most common misconception is that it's not a serious instrument. And I kind of like that people don't think it's a serious instrument because it means that we go under the radar a little bit. But you can play any genre on harmonica. You can play blues, you can play funk, you can play rock, you can play jazz, you can play classical, you can play folk, you can play country, you can play absolutely everything. And that's super cool because people don't expect it from this kind of instrument. And it's not all playing just kind of blurry, folky lines like... There's so much more nuance. You can play complex melodies. And you can play fun rhythmic things. So many cool things on the instrument, and it is a serious instrument, which means that you need to take it seriously if you want to learn how to play it. And that's why I thought you might like to check out my 14-day free trial to my online harmonica school. If you want to check that out, just click on the link in the description below. Now, there's a fourth common misconception, and this one I feel a little bit bad about, but I'm going to tell you anyway. And I'm not throwing any shade whatsoever. But one of the things I hear all the time before people learn about harmonica is that Dylan is a fantastic harmonica player, and that's why they started playing harmonica. And that's not a bad thing. I think Dylan is responsible for more people picking up a harmonica than anyone else. So thank you, Bob Dylan, for bringing the harmonica to the attention of so many people. But once you learn that there's so much more you can do with the instrument, you realize that he plays extremely simple harmonica parts, which are absolutely perfect for his music and his songwriting. So I'm not throwing any shade on his musicality. I'm just saying that there isn't a huge amount of technique in Bob Dylan's harmonica playing, and that's totally fine. All right, so if you want to learn another fun bit about harmonica, why don't you click on this video up here? All right, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I upload beginner harmonica content every week. All right, take it easy. Happy harping.